Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're just going to be preparing the fishing rod for bomb fishing. I'm not going to be adding the hooks because I'm going to be getting some new line. I'm going to be getting Fox Carp Mono, 20 pounds, 65 feet. And this is going on my Leader 10-foot bomb rod. So we'll just set the camera back up. And we're using, just because this is a cheap reel at the end, it's only a £9 reel, it came with cheap line. So this is also £9 line as well. So we're going to be putting some 14-gram midi match bombs, or 1.5 ounces, which are these. I'll just give you a little look at them. So first of all, you'll need 3 things. The first things you need is a fishing rod, of course. Alright, this is a few more steps. You need a fishing rod, and you need a decent amount of line already been let out. And then you need to grab some, I couldn't remember the name, I just had to go check. So let me just take it out. So you need some of these swivel stop breeds. They don't have to be this exact ones, but these are a good size, and it's Drennan. I like to have my stuff more or less the same brand. But I mean, I did a video on this yesterday, which has got all my fishing stuff in, so bait and all of that. So first of all, you just need to get a black thing out and a stopper, which are the bigger things. They look like mini Tic Tacs. So let me just grab one out. Oh. It's a bit of a pickle. Oh, let me do it like this. Can't get my finger in. Right. Right, okay, we've got it. So then set them aside. And then you should have 2 things. A black thing and a stopper. So then what you do is then you get this thing, the swivel stop breed, which is that. Grab the end of your line, I don't know if you can see that, but grab the end of your line, get the end of this, there's 2 holes, and then you've got to use good eyesight, and I don't have the best of eyesight. When you get it on, just pull it, and then it should fit on your line perfectly, just like that, and then you should be able to move it. And then the next step is to get this black thing and go in one hole, if I can get it, and then this is the important part, and then instead of going like under in, you want to go under and over and then into the hole. And then you should end up with something just like that. And then the third thing you need is a pair of pliers, because trust me, it is incredibly hard to push in by hand. I mean, it is possible, but it's just a bit of a struggle. So then move that up to there, and then all you want to do is get the black end bit and just try and your hardest to push it in. Get it in a decent amount, which I'm having problems with, of course. We're getting there. And then when you're a decent amount of the way in, as you can see, that black thing's in. Oh. Grab your pair of pliers, get it just on the edge of the black thing, and just squeeze. And then as you saw, well, as you can see, it's now popped in perfectly. And now you're able to move it up the line. And then literally you don't want two on, because in case the fish takes the hook, you don't want a stopper going in with it. So then what you do is, just trying to get a bomb off. A bit difficult. Screw it. I'm just gonna pull it off. Right, and then you get your bomb. Mine are clip-on, so it's much easier. And I'll leave the link in the description of the brand and links where you can get them. So then all you do now is get your bomb, put it on the upper side, so the bit that's up towards your rod. So this is my rod. So you've got the stopper and then your bomb. You want it so it can hit the end of your rod. You don't want it this way, or like towards the hook. You want it towards the rod. And then just clip it on if you've got clip-ons. And then that now runs free. But then as soon as it reaches the stopper, it won't go any further. And you can choose if you want to have a feeder on further down the line or anything. But that's just a quick and simple beginner way of putting a bomb on a line. And next video I'll be teaching you how to do a float, the quick and easy way. And if you already haven't, like and subscribe. Check out my other video if you want to see me packing up the Fox R Series accessory medium-sized bag. So hope you enjoyed. Hope this tutorial has helped you, and hope to see more people enjoying the content. And yeah, peace.